Hello friends, welcome to my channel She Says Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this garland, lavender garland, which is very easy and simple. So we'll see how to crochet this pattern. I have used here milk cotton yarn and the hook size is 3 mm. Same I'm going to use for the sample also. If you're watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, once you finish watching this tutorial, if you like this, click the like button and share with your friends and family. So without further delay, let's start our project. We'll start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here I have made 50 chains, and then yarn over into the third chain from the hook. We'll make one half double crochet, yarn over into the next one half double crochet, yarn over into the next one half double crochet, yarn over into the next one half double crochet. So let's continue till the end of this row, making half double crochet into each chain. Yarn over into the last also, we'll make one half double crochet, and then turn the project into the very first. We'll make one single crochet, chain 1 2, yarn over into the same. We'll make one double crochet and the second double crochet. So here we got 3 double crochet stitches. Let's make chain 3, and then I'm going to make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Let's come to the next chain, make a slip stitch, chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Into the same stitch we'll make the slip stitch. Now let's come to the next chain, one slip stitch, and then chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into the same stitch inside the hook and make one slip stitch, and then into this next one slip stitch, 7 chains, 3 4 5 6 7 into the same one slip stitch. So we are going to continue the same pattern till we reach the end of this row. So and to the last also we are going to make the same slip stitch, and then here is the last stitch, one slip stitch, chain 3 into the same 3 double crochet, 1 2, including these 3 chains we got here 3 double crochet, chain 3 into the same, we'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, we'll snip off this excess yarn, and then we can make a knot over here. Let's hide this excess yarn here. Now I have taken here the needle, then we'll thread into this yarn, take double or triple than this size of this project, and then snip this off and make a knot over here. can start from this end. Because I choose this side, I'm able to see these two loops very clearly. So I'm starting from here. Just insert into the first stitch this way, and then we can pass through all these loops like this. You can just pass through into each half double crochet. You will have two loops, so just pass through this. So here I have threaded into each loops, and then we are going to pull this down in this way. Slowly you will just pull this down so it will get shorter. Just slowly turn on this, just pull down. And then we'll snip off this yarn. We can make a knot over here. And then we can cut this excess yarns. So it's very simple and easy. If you're making the bigger size, it will be looking very nice. And then you can use this garland to decorate your home. For any school projects also you can make for your children's. So I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you on another video with a new pattern.